Hey guys, it's Caitlin here at Mechanics of Music. Today I'm going to show you guys a couple stretches that I do before I play a gig. I've got a gig in a couple hours, so I'm just going to start to warm up everything, and I want to show you guys what I do, and you can follow along with me before you play, before you practice, so that you're feeling great and all your joints and muscles and everything is really happy. There's also a free PDF you guys can download, print it off, put it at the front of your binder just to remind yourselves to do this before you play, and your body will thank you. First things I like to do is just some shoulder rolls. And guys, do this with me if you want, because it's really fun. Just getting the shoulders back, and you want to try to keep the core engaged when you're doing this. Keep everything strong. That feels so good. I do that even if I don't have a gig. I love the shoulder rolls. Also, just rolling the wrists, getting the blood flowing out to the fingers and the wrists. These are important tools for you guys as musicians. Wiggling out the fingers. Another thing I love to do is self-massage. On the palm, especially the left hand that does all the chords. Get that thumb muscle there. I like to just pull the fingers, get the blood all the way out to each fingertip. Same thing on the other hand. Self-massage. And then up the forearms. Just working this muscle feels so good. Bonus if you can find someone to do this for you. I don't have anybody right now, so I have to do it to myself. The forearm massage. Love it. Then we also have the neck. So when you're strumming and playing, a lot of the muscles you're using are starting all the way down at your back, and they're coming all the way up into your arm. Everything is connected. So getting the neck, just some rolls of the neck, feel pretty good. And then even holding on one side. I'm going through these pretty quickly. I would normally hold them for a little bit longer, but guys, even if you only have 3 minutes to just get everything moving, that's better than nothing. If you have 20 minutes to do stretches, that's awesome too. You're gonna feel great after. And another one that I do is I would stand up and do shoulder roll all the way back. Oh yeah, feels good. That's a quick little warm up of something that I would do before a gig. I think I'm ready to go. Okay guys, so enjoy those stretches. Let me know in the comments if there's other ones that you like to do, or if there's some part of you that gets really sore after you play. Maybe we can figure out what kind of stretches you can do. But thanks for watching. Keep strumming, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next video.